Make a great choice today with the 2021 Acadia. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, roof rails, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, ambient lighting, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, leather trim seats, wireless charging station, audio, internet radio, Pandora, airbags, front, center, airbags, driver, knee, heated steering wheel, audio radio, touchscreen display, heads-up display. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.